Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Thursday morning market webcast. Okay, so we talked about the 99.75 low, the 94 high, and how you had, this kind of potentially a pronounced lower high versus the double top all-time high between this high and September 2018 on the front month contract. What we're doing now is basically retesting the 100-day, which held back on the 15th. They're going to try it again here. The bears can trade all the way down to 27.99.75, and if they don't break through, it really doesn't make much difference. This just starts to triangulate, okay? If they break this low, doesn't have to be today, but it really should be this week, then you have the potential to go down and test the 200-day down in the 78 area. Yesterday's regular session was kind of tight. It was really whippy, which was, basically what I had talked about yesterday. We had a really nice short overnight, and then we ended up shorting right around the close, shorted 60.75. That ended up being, we took a 30-handle runner, it was a 20-handle trade, so that, that was really nice. We shorted a lower high here. We'll see how that works. If they break that 25 Globex low, they got a chance to trade down into the area of 17. Maybe not rapidly, but it can drip to the downside. If you look on the hourly, you can see just kind of how it slowly rolled over, which is frustrating if you're banging around trying to trade. This is your regular session for Wednesday. I mean, you can see how whippy it was. This is a lower low versus the 32-33 support we saw on Monday. And the potential, as I zoom it out, is to go ahead and make a run at the low from the 15th. Okay, this is where it bounced off the 100-day at 28.15, and then, of course, 27.99.75. It's going to take some doing, and the Bulls are going to have to defend. If you're the Bulls, you need to get this 40 area back, then retest from 45 to 51, so your hourly midband and weekly pivot. You're going to have to turn all of this into support. Otherwise, you're just going to continue to see a series of lower highs and lower lows until we deal with that 27.99.75. All right, so I'm going to make it quick today. We open in 15 minutes. A lot of more stuff out on social. If you trade this stuff, come on, let's go. Come and join us. You're going to love what you see. It's a great place to trade. It's a great place to learn how to do this stuff, and we look forward to having you. All right, take care, trade them well. I'll talk to you tomorrow. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.